Hey everybody, I'm here at X-Tech Tactical HQ and we're going to talk about common reasons why you would be missing when pistol shooting, being high, low, left, or right. Previous videos we've talked about grip and things like that. Let's talk about missing. So most commonly you're going to miss, if you're a right-handed shooter, you're going to shoot left or low left. If you're a left-handed shooter, you're going to shoot right or low right. Most commonly, that's going to be because of, it can be, I want to caveat this with, it can be a myriad of issues. And this is the importance of getting training, hands-on training. But in generalities is what I'm going to speak in right now. Generally speaking, that's going to be your trigger pull. Your trigger pull is either going to push you left or push you right. So commonly when you're pushing left, if you're a right-handed shooter and you're left or low left, it is because you have your trigger finger not far enough into the trigger guard. And so you are using too little trigger finger, and that is causing you to push the gun sideways as you push that trigger. Same thing with if you're going right as a right-handed shooter, you may have your finger sunk too far in, so when you pull that trigger, it pulls the gun sideways to the right, and is the opposite for left or right-handed shooters. Now when it comes to shooting low, that's generally speaking a anticipation problem where you are flinching, you're flinching down as you're pulling the trigger, sending that shot low, and then is the very opposite for shooting high. You are overcorrecting, expecting that recoil, and you're shooting high. You're pushing the gun with the palm, with the butt of your hand, you're pushing high like that as you're pulling the trigger. Going over it, if you are going left or low left as a right-handed shooter, it is probably because you have too little trigger finger and you are pushing as you are pulling the trigger. If you are going right as a right-handed shooter, it's because you have too much trigger finger and you're pulling right. If you are shooting high, it's because you're anticipating the recoil and you're heeling the gun, so you're pushing the pistol high like that. If you're shooting low, it's your anticipation making you jerk down as you are pulling the trigger. Now, this is, again, in generalities. I always suggest that you get actual training, that you get hands-on training with a qualified instructor, because this may not be specific to you. Have somebody looking over your shoulder that is qualified to critique your shooting technique. All right, so check out the rest of X-Tech Tactical's YouTube page for more training tips and tricks, things that may help you along your pistol shooting journey.